and I'm a part of the Wonderland communications team. This video is to introduce you all to class kits. A lot of parents have asked us when they inquire about the admissions, about the bags, and about the craft material, and we thought it's time we make a short video and introduce you to the class kit. So I have the class kit with me. This is the class kit. This is what we give out every 2 weeks to the parents. They come to the school and they collect the class kits from us. I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. Alright, so I opened the class kit and this is all I have with me. So I have one pouch which is nicely labeled and it has all the craft material that your child will need for the classes. This one has all the confetti and sparkly bits to it for your child. Then there's another file and this one has some colorful paper. It is labeled with the kind of activity it is about, and then this one has chart papers and we have more sheets. If you are going to get introduced to a letter, dear children, this is your resource for it and you can keep it with you all the time. You can always associate the letter. And then there is another file which says parent support online material, and this has everything that your child will be doing in the classes. So this is important, keep it with you. And this bag has 2 of these. So this is a completely active week for your child, this means. Now, there's another document called the parent support offline material, and this is for the parents more than it can be for the children, and that's because this is for mamas and daddies and uncles and aunts and siblings to go through along with your child, to give them a hands-on learning experience. If you would like to enroll your child for the online classes with Wonderland, you can get in touch with us via phone or email. I will be happy to hear from you soon.